How to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. So you want to buy, send, or receive Bitcoin on Cash App, but it's locking you out? Don't worry, it's super easy to fix. Here is the secret. You aren't actually verifying Bitcoin itself, you just need to verify your Cash App account. Cash App has to follow standard banking rules before letting anyone move crypto around. Let's knock this out together in just a couple of minutes. Pull out your phone and open up Cash App. Look at the bottom menu and tap that little banking or home icon in the far bottom left corner. That takes you to your money dashboard. Right now, since your account is unverified, tap Buy Bitcoin and then tap Deposit Bitcoin. A screen is going to pop up saying verification is required. That is totally normal. Just go ahead and tap that big blue Verify Identity button at the bottom to get started. First, the app will ask you to choose a cash PIN. Pick a secure 4-digit number that you will remember, type it in, and then type it a second time to confirm your PIN. Quick side note, never share this PIN with anyone. Next up, it's time for the legal stuff. Type in your legal first name and last name exactly how they look on your ID. Then hit Next. On the following screen, enter your date of birth, day, month, and year, and tap Next again. Now, Cash App will ask for the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Because Cash App is a regulated financial tool, they legally have to check this to confirm you are a real person. Type those 4 digits in and press Next. Depending on your account history, Cash App might ask you to snap a quick photo of your driver's license or a selfie right after this step. Don't sweat it, just make sure you're in a well-lit room so the camera can read your ID clearly. Once the system processes your info, which usually takes anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours, your Bitcoin tab will completely unlock. You'll see a bright blue button that says Buy Bitcoin for as little as $1, and you are officially good to go. And that's literally all it takes to get your account fully unlocked. If you ever send a payment to the wrong person while using this app, click right here to watch my quick guide on how to cancel a payment on Cash App. See you there.